It's so interesting. Now, as luck would have it, these folks who are anxious, preoccupied very commonly get into romantic relationships with those who are dismissive, avoidant. So if we were, you're already laughing. I know. This always gets a chuckle. Now, if we were to look at it on a
Yep.
spectrum, we have these are both of these styles are insecure attachment, right? But
Right.
they present very differently. So on one side of the spectrum, we have the anxious attachers. On the other side, we have the dismissive, the avoidant attachers. Okay. So the avoidant attacher also didn't get the emotional attunement that they needed in childhood. Oftentimes, they are emotionally neglected.
Mm.
Oftentimes, these children are left alone a lot as children. And there's almost like a feigned helplessness that they develop. Like they learn really early on that they cannot rely on, let's say, their mother
Mm.
to soothe them, to comfort them,
Mhm.
to be with them when they need that level of support. And so they withdraw within.
Mhm.
Their pattern they create a pattern in their mind where they become hyper independent. They trust themselves a great deal, but they do not trust others. Whereas the anxious
I
preoccupied
don't trust
does
myself.
not trust themselves at all,
Mhm.
but they trust others.
Yeah,
So
yeah, blindly trust
blind,
others. Mhm.
blindly trust others, but they don't trust themselves.
Mhm.
So now on the flip side, over here with the avoidant, we have someone who does not trust others. They trust themselves. They've developed this idea that, I could only rely on me, myself, and I. And that's how they go through life. And so
Mm.
again, they're hyper independent, right? They're overly self-reliant. They have no modeling for how to, interrelate in a healthy relationship.
Mhm.
They've got these assumptions in their head that, okay, Lisa, if you and we were going to date, and I'm avoidant, well, I'm going to take care of my emotional needs. And you, Lisa, you're going to take care of your emotional needs.
Which drives us nuts. Which drives us nuts.
Right. Like that's not my problem, right? Like it's and because
Yes.
no one ever helped them.
Right. So they don't know how to help others.
No, but it doesn't even come to their mind.
Right.
It's not modeled for them, right? So it's not that they're denying you. They don't, it's not a part of their template for
Right.
how to interact with someone else, right? And so these people are often have a very hard time in romantic relationships.
Mhm.
They do get into romantic relationships. I think that, one of our six basic human needs is love and connection. So we
Mhm.
all feel that to various degrees. They do want love and connection. It's just they have a very hard time with the intimacy piece.
Right.